niyo pong feeling ngayon na pang 50 na branch nyo na po yata ito?
Yes, we're so overwhelmed. Nagkaroon kami dito sa SM City, San Mateo del Monte, ng new branch, ang pang 50th branch namin. We're so happy. At mapapansin niyo, meron tayong bagong interior, yung country garden, mas medyo pinaganda. Match lang for Miss Liza's image.
Ano pong secret niyo po at lumalaki ang ating mga branches? Dumadami, I mean.
Of course, we cater to the needs of the customer. Kung ano yung hinahanap nila sa mga serbisyo, okay, pinuprovide namin yon in the most affordable manner. So yung price range namin, hindi ganun kataas compare sa ibang high-end nail spa, pero when it comes to services, we're at par with them. And second, of course, with the help of Liza Soberano as our image model, nakuha namin yung market na talagang tina-target namin for these specific services.
Ano po yung mga plans ninyo or may upcoming pa bang mag-o-open na branch?
Yeah, we're hoping to open more on mall-based branches. And hopefully we can work out with one outside the country operation, Nails That Glow in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, opening soon.
And for our image model, we plan to renew her as our brand ambassador, Miss Liza Soberano. And syempre, ang plans namin is to continue giving quality service, affordable, and quality products sa mga clients natin.
Renew for another a year or more than?
Maybe more than.
Yes. Congrats, ma'am and sir.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.